Hello, everyone. I hope what'll be a quick video this time to take you on a tour of Module 6, where you're going to be submitting a revision based on your work in Module 5 and everything that went before it. So let's get started. Here we are at the top of the course, and we scroll down, as we have learned to do, to the modules. And here we are at Module 6. So let's enter. And here we find ourselves at first the introduction, which gives an overview, as always. And I leave that to you to follow through. And let's go on. Here at Module 6 revisions, we see on the left-hand menu a number of units that will make up the process this week. And again, we have an overview and an opportunity to go on to the next page, which is a video that I trust you will watch, that very briefly, at just a minute and a few seconds, introduces the process of revision and then guides you to the next step, which is where you need to take some time. The revision process is described here in terms of large-scale and small-scale revisions. And these bullet points here for both, up here for large-scale and down here for small-scale revisions, are something you want to save because you're going to be using them when you take the quiz in the temperature check at Module 6.4. And you want to read through this because there's a number of points that are raised that you're going to have to apply as you go into the revision process. In the next part of the module, we find that for the first time since our very early days in the course, we're going to post on a discussion board. An initial post by Thursday, midnight, your local time, and 2 response posts by the following Sunday. This is just like we did it before, and I'll be glad to help anyone refresh the process. But notice that we have a specific prompt and an assignment rubric to help you do as well as possible on this part of the unit. At this point, we scroll on to the temperature check, which is a quiz that will be graded. You have 2 chances to take the same test. So I'm sure everyone will score 100%. And you get a chance to guess whether a particular suggestion for revision is either large scale or small scale, which is why you need the list from Unit 2 in order to apply those criteria to the examination you'll be taking here. The last part could use some explication because it's a graded activity in the revision process, but I'm not the one who grades it. The grade is internal to the course, and what you're asked to do is update your revised draft and copy and paste the entire essay here. Before you do that, though, you have an opportunity, described in the reminder here, to first of all, email me your draft so I can have a look at it before you submit it. And I hope you'll do that way before Sunday. And also to click a link right at this point to have a live chat with a tutor. So I'm available, tutoring is available, and to finish this unit, the largest part of work in which, besides your revision, is the posts on the discussion board. You're going to submit your revised draft here. As always, I'm available to discuss any questions that arise out of this presentation or out of your work at any point. I look forward to hearing from you and to seeing your writing.